Hi, hello guys, welcome to my channel. And today I want to demo on you how to talk to ChatGPT. Okay, let's get it on. So first of all, I think you have to subscribe the premium ChatGPT to talk to ChatGPT. Uh, Actually, there are many Chrome extension or software there that able to activate the talk to ChatGPT, but I think in the past 2 months, OpenAI launched the feature of talk directly to ChatGPT, no need to other third-party apps. But I don't know if is it for the premium user or the free user. I'm not really sure, but let's try. Actually, I'm subscribed to ChatGPT in the premium one. So, how to talk with ChatGPT when you open your chat when you open your ChatGPT, you just click this one, use voice mode, and then make sure you already turn on your microphone and make sure you already give permission for the ChatGPT to talk with you. Okay, hello ChatGPT. Can we talk? Can we discuss something?
Of course, feel free to discuss anything you like.
Nice. Actually, I'm creating a tutorial how to talk with you, and I'm wondering, should I subscribe the premium one to talk with you in voice mode or not?
For voice interactions with me, subscribing to a premium plan is typically required. This unlocks access to features like voice mode and other advanced capabilities. If you find value in these features, it might be worth considering.
Yeah, because I think it's worth to consider to talk with you. So I could, while I'm working, I can discuss with you for anything. We can brainstorm for anything. Is it possible for you to run in the background while I'm working on my computer?
Yes, you can run the application in the background while you work on your computer. This allows you to switch back to our conversation whenever you need to brainstorm or discuss something. It's quite convenient for multitasking.
Nice. Actually, I'm recording this our conversation. What do you want to talk to my subscribers?
Hello to all the subscribers. Remember, embracing new ideas and staying curious can lead to amazing opportunities. Keep exploring and learning.
Nice. So, uh, to whom?
Glad.
Okay, to whom you suggest people to subscribe to premium user, especially for voice mode like this? What you recommend? To whom?
Subscribing to a premium plan for voice interaction is ideal for anyone who frequently multitasks, values hands free communication, or enjoys brainstorming and discussing ideas in real time. It's particularly useful for content creators, professionals, and anyone who benefits from having a virtual assistant to enhance productivity.
Nice. It's good. Okay, ChatGPT, that's enough for today. I will upload this video on YouTube. See you on the next discussion.
Sounds great. Good luck with your upload and talk to you next time.
See, I think it's nice to talk with ChatGPT, and then, of course, they do a summarize of our conversation. But I don't know why the conversation not summarized correctly, because this one using Indonesian language or Bahasa language. Actually, I'm native in Bahasa. I'm not English in native. I don't know why ChatGPT put like that. So the thing is, you can talk with ChatGPT, you can brainstorm to ChatGPT while you working in the background. You can do multitasking. Ask anything to ChatGPT. Simple. That's it. This video. I hope you can get insight from this. I'm not affiliated with with OpenAI, so even if I'm not affiliated with them, I suggest you to subscribe to ChatGPT. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.